We did. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. We had a strategy, okay?
But if you have a strategy, you do market research. Did anybody stop and say, there's a danger here, continue it on, like you guys? Let's take a look at how many other pieces the other teams has. Because all we have to do is be one better than anybody else to get the bid.
Our market research was jumped is for that.
Our goal
That's
was
right.
to get the 20 that we said before.
To get to the 20, okay?
And not the others.
And so you don't worry about the others.
No.
Okay.
We are market leaders.
You're innovation driven. Okay, now the other aspect is, all of you took a linear process, production line. What kind of innovations could you have? Now the challenge to you now is innovations. Okay, now you produced, what was your 15, 16?
15.
Okay, I want you to create 50% more increase in production from 15. So next time you go around this, you're not just going to make 15. You're going to make, took the entire 5 minutes.